These systems already exist. A lot of the buildings that exist in major urban centers today are actually quite sophisticated. It's just the problem is they're separate, they're separate from each other, they're disparate, and the data is just not accessible, and the controls are not accessible. And with our software, what we're doing is pulling that together in a way that lets the property managers and the facility managers step away from their desk and writing things on pen and paper and actually using the software in the field, in the analog world.
Every single brick and mortar business has a user experience problem, where in the 70s and 80s, malls and stores, for example, were designed to keep people immersed and make them walk around for a long time, because there was a lot of consumers had a lot of time and not much choice. And now the reverse is true. They have all this choice and not much time.
I think the biggest thing that I've learned after having lived and worked in the US in startups and coming back to Canada and starting my own startup here with BuildScience is I've learned to not fear failure. And I think that's the biggest thing that we can take home as Canadians. As some of humanity's best work is done in the face of adversity, in the face of failure. And I think rather than try to be fearful of it and try to avoid it, we should try to embrace it and use that as fuel for actually learning lessons. The same is true for any venture, and it's something that I've tried to echo within our team at BuildScience, is that, you know, it's okay to try something out and for it to be deemed a failure, because now we can take lessons from that and apply it to other aspects of the business.